Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Countdown, she put me on a rundown. Go down, she
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Marilyn and you're welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this ash blonde brown ombre look from black. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay guys, so let us start off with this hair, right? You guys see it's so bouncy and so soft. So this hair is from Mazic Beauty, and I have the 10-inch closure, 4x4 closure, and I also have the 12-inch and 2 14 inches, and I put the 14 inches at the back. So I'm going to be using the Blue Flash Lighting Powder and a 40 volume developer.
Original.
I just put the bleach and added in the 40 volume developer and mixed it together, and this is what the consistency looks like. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start applying this on the hair. I do start from the ends of the hair and from the back as well. And then I'm not going to go all the way up to the roots just because I'm trying to go for like an ombre gradient look. So the ends will be a lot lighter, and then the middle will be a little bit brown, and then the roots will still be black. So I'm just going to like really casually just apply this, but mainly focusing on the ends of the hair. I'm going to do this for the entire hair, and yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory, this part, and it's really easy because I know I'm going to do this in a 2-step process. So this step I'm not really caring too much about it, and yeah.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah.
Also for like the front part, right, as you guys can see, I like sectioned out a little bit of the front, and because I just want that part to be really light, so I'm gonna go all the way to the roots on just this section, and just make sure I get every part of the hair, and then the other parts of the hair would still be black, if that makes sense.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her me she go low.
So yeah, after putting it all up in the ends, I'm just gonna cover it up and leave it for exactly 30 minutes.
Bad man, I put you in a photo. Countdown, she put me on a rundown. Go down, she give me on a loop now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. No, 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 no.
After 30 minutes, this is what the hair is looking like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash the bleach off, like just wash the hair and leave it to dry, and then I'll come back the next day because this took me 2 days. So I'm gonna come back the next day and do the next part. So this is what the hair looks like when it's dry. As you guys can see, the front part where I was talking about is a lot lighter, and I just did this for the right hand side. And then I'm just going to comb the hair through it and do the exact same thing I did. So just go in with your bleach and your 40 volume developer, mix it together, and then start applying this on the hair. So this part I'm going to go a little bit further or towards the root more, just because the roots is going to be brown, and then the ends will be really light. So this is what, when you bleach your hair twice, it becomes lighter than the first time. But I'm going to start off with the front part of the hair, which I already sectioned out before. So this part could process a lot faster and also be a lot lighter, because that's the look I was going for.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me, yeah, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know. know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. No, 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 no.
So yeah, after I'm done with the front part, I'm just going to go in from the back, and then I'm just going to start applying this. As you guys can see, I'm going all the way to the top now, just because I want that part to be processed, but it wouldn't be as light as the ends because the top part is black. So it's going to process to a medium blonde, and then the ends would be really, really, really light blonde. So yeah.
Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah, nah, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you.
This hair took 30 minutes the first time and 30 minutes the second time, so a total of an hour to get the desired look I was going for. So keep in mind, depending on the hair you're using, this timing would be different for you, of course. And yeah, gonna leave this for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead to wash it, condition it, and that is the final result.
Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me.
So yeah, this is the final result. If you guys liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video as well with your friends. Whoever would benefit from this tutorial, share the video with them. And then this color is so bomb, and the hair is so good because the quality is still amazing despite bleaching this hair twice. And let me show you guys what the back looks like. Yeah, it is so beautiful. That is it. If there's any question or anything you guys want to know about this hair or how to achieve this look, leave it down in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to get back to you. Also, let me know what you guys think about this hair. I'm actually feeling the hair color. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. It's your body where you give me, they make me want